We are the High Five Advisors, and we're here to introduce an extraordinary way for FIS to revolutionize POS systems and fintech as a whole. Before we begin, I want you to take a moment to imagine, after having a long day of work, having to make a grocery store run for items needed before you get home. As you arrive, you see that the lines are ridiculously long, with only 2 cashiers on duty and self-checkout resembling an amusement park line. You may only need 1 or 2 items. However, you will wait in this line, thus lengthening your already long day and exposing you to unnecessary risks with regard to COVID-19 and its unforgettable impact on the world as we know it. But what if there was a way to avoid long lines at the checkout or standing in front of and behind strangers who may not take social distancing as seriously as you do?
When brainstorming for our solution, we were able to come up with lots of innovative ideas, such as 1, creating distributed network capabilities closer to the point of sales process for contactless payments. 2, improving collaboration and connectivity between entities with APIs. And 3, improving security through the use of decentralized ledgers using blockchain technology. While those are all great solutions, we chose not to recommend any of those as our final solution for several reasons. For the first possible alternative, creating distributed networks is done through edge computing. Currently, edge computing poses way too many security concerns due to the increase of edge data centers, each representing potentially vulnerable endpoints. For the second possible alternative, we determined that any API strategy also poses great security risk because it requires conducting many exchanges between entities in the payment process. Additionally, finding the talent to manage company APIs is a huge bottleneck. Lastly, for the third possible alternative, blockchain requires an expansive amount of resources, like bandwidth, which is costly and what many companies lack. Also, blockchain technology is high risk for human error due to its immutable property and private key access. The goal for our final solution recommendation is to make contactless payments more secure and create a better user experience for consumers. We aim to provide a solution that will help gain customer trust and provide added convenience by speeding up the transaction process. Keeping these goals in mind, we were able to determine our final solution.
The High Five Advisors have come up with a simple solution that helps to mitigate all these pain points with the introduction of a system that allows for customer purchases to be made through your phone. Today we will discuss how all of these things can become a possibility.
Our solution focuses on contactless payments and addresses areas like financial inclusion, speed of transaction, and security. We propose using latest technologies like 5G to bring areas with limited fiber internet services and enable electronic transactions and improve the speed of the transaction. We intend to improve the security of payments by using biometric technologies like face detection, voice recognition, and retina detection, which considerably decreases security risks. With contactless transaction trends rising over the years, implementing technologies like RFID, NFC, and QR codes makes it convenient and safer for people to do transactions. This whole transaction process also improves the customer experience as a whole. Our solution is also economically viable as major telecom companies have started rolling out 5G services in most countries, and it is worth the one-time investment on RFID and NFC devices at the point of sale. Think of your local box store. Take Target, for example. A customer walks into the store and scans the QR code at the entrance, which then takes them to the app or a website on their phones. The customer then proceeds to pick up their items, scan the barcode or QR code on the product that they want to purchase, using the app that was launched. The products are instantly added to the checkout on their phones. They can then pay for the items using the app, put them in a bag which the store can provide, and exit the store. This provides a true contactless experience to the customers where they use their own devices to check out and pay securely. With 5G, this process will be exceptionally fast and can ensure a pleasant customer experience.